Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your Esure insurance. Okay, so before cancellation you need to keep something in your mind, like what are the charges of cancellation and what are the policies for cancellation. Okay, so you can see over here, if you want to cancel your policy with Esure, you need to provide at least, you can say like some notice period. Like if you are going to cancel your policy like during your 14 days cooling period, then there is approx like $26 of fees. And if you cancel your insurance after 14 days of cooling period, then you need to pay up to like not dollars, these are pounds, like 26 pounds and 60 pounds. Okay, so the cancellation is very easy. What you have to do, you need to visit on their website on this page. Like this is the page, contact us page, and on this page there are phone numbers like car insurance telephone number, home insurance telephone number. You can choose car insurance. Okay, so you can choose home insurance. Once you select this option, it will pop up all the phone numbers. You can select customer care phone number and you can get in touch with the customer and you can ask, like you can tell them that you wish to cancel your insurance, and you need to ask like please provide a proof of cancellation in the end when you are going to end your call. Okay, if you get proof of cancellation, it means your policy is cancelled, and if you don't get any proof, it means your policy is still active. Okay, and the timings are Monday to Friday 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. and Saturday 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Sunday 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. Okay, so these are the timings. Make sure you are dialing their numbers in this time frame. Okay, so by using this way you can cancel your insurance with Esure. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video, my dear friends. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video. Contact link in our video description box, you can check out the link. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.